If you like my dad's videos, please subscribe to QA Insights channel.
In this video, we are going to see how you can get certified in Gremlin Chaos Engineering Professional Certificate. Gremlin is the leading chaos engineering platform where you can do your chaos experiments. Chaos experiments helps you to break things on purpose to understand how your application works under different circumstances like unexpected load, different configuration, etc. Gremlin certification comes into two flavors. One is the basics one, which is certified chaos engineer, and recently Gremlin team has released the advanced version of the program called Chaos Engineering Professional. Basics one covers the basic principles about chaos engineering and the Gremlin user interface and other concepts. Advanced program helps you to deep dive into chaos experiments, engineering, business and technical advantages of chaos experiments. And also you can get a chance to win $200 Amazon gift card if you are one of the first 500 certified professionals. So the lucky winner will be selected randomly. Before you get started with the certification, first you should know this is completely free, and of course it comes with multiple retries and also free course material with excellent videos, hands-on and graphics. Now we will see how to prepare for this certification. First you have to view the course, just read and see the graphics and listen to the videos. Then go to the Gremlin documentation and just read the documentation part and also read the Gremlin blog. Also Gremlin has a free tier where you can sign up and play around with the Gremlin UI and you can do some small experiments. So hands-on with Gremlin will be very helpful in the exam. Now let us see how you can sign up and see how you can launch the course and go for the certification. First, go to the Gremlin blog here. So in the blog, the detailed description and the steps to get started, everything is clearly mentioned here. And also you can register for the free prep session. If you don't want to appear for the free prep session, you can directly get certified. So just go to GCCE Pro Certified link and you can register for the course. But before you appear for the advanced, I recommend you to appear for the basics one. Then you can appear for the advanced certification. So once you click on this link, it will take you to this page. Here it will display the form where you can just fill, and it will immediately display this link. You can access the course here. Once you click on this link, it will take you to this UI. As you see, there are two courses. One is the basic one and the advanced one. So all the two courses I have completed. Now let us go inside this particular course. So this is the professional exam. Just click on view course button and initially it will display the home page here, and you can just read the important points about this particular exam, prerequisites and what you will learn, etc. And you will have 30 questions you need to complete within 45 minutes. So once you click on this review course, it will automatically take you to the exam guidelines here. So as you see, there are 30 multiple choice and true or false, and also fill in the blanks. So this is the format. You will get 45 minutes, 80% minimum score to get this certification. And in the left side, you can navigate between the course materials, videos, etc. And the last step will be the exam. So this is how the UI looks, and make sure you spend time on the Gremlin documentation, this course and the blog, and of course the hands-on. Good luck for the exam. Thanks for watching and have a good day.
If you like my dad's videos, please subscribe to QA Insights channel.